STLD stock analysis and STLD stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, you know, so I have proof of everything. I've seen what's working for me, what's not, and ultimately still dynamics, 123 bucks, 1.7% correction. So where the heck am I looking to take it further up? But this is very, very, very simple. So ultimately, if I don't see the price actually, well, that's how my chart's looking like. And like I said, like it was like a long side prediction, but now it's kind of starting to pick back, kind of go back lower. I'm going to move this to the side because it's in the way, but unironically, it's the same exact idea. Like now we're pulling back inside my demand zone. Unless I see a full double break or something, then I'm not buying whatsoever. I'll mark up the top here. It's my confirmation. You know, all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for the rules to be met and following other ticker symbols. But other than that, if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.